In today's high-speed business environment, computer technology provides communication at the speed of light. Yet for personal transportation, many remain in the dark ages. For all businesses, large or small, when your time is money, there is a better way to travel. If you're thinking helicopters, think Skyline. Operating from a new, modern complex at Wycombe Air Park near London, Skyline can offer you a total helicopter package.
Skyline Helicopters, good afternoon. Anne speaking. Hello, Mr. Byron. Yes, we have your helicopter booking. And what time would you like us to pick you up?
Skyline provide personal helicopter charter to any destination in the UK. Hotels, conference centres, gardens or open ground anywhere. For one passenger to that all-important meeting, or a group of your favourite clients to a Grand Prix, the Gold Cup, or just a round of golf. All Skyline pilots have full commercial licences and are service trained with many thousands of hours flying experience behind them.
Of speed in a helicopter is primarily due to
flying a helicopter yourself can become a reality with Skyline's expert tuition.
Rotational velocity on the blade tips. The advancing side.
Skyline operate a fleet of two-seater Robinson R-22 helicopters. And with 4 instructors available, in a short time you could qualify for your Civil Aviation Authority private pilot's license.
Factory master on throttle is primed, and away you go on the start.
The aircraft that suits your requirements best is the Hughes 500.
If you're thinking of owning a helicopter, speak to Skyline's sales department. With a wealth of experience in the field of helicopter operations, they offer not only a wide selection of machines, but also expert advice on ways to make your helicopter pay for itself.
It's good, isn't it?
A team of highly qualified engineers are at hand to take good care of your investment in a modern, well-equipped, civil aviation-approved facility. In association with Flight Logistics, Skyline supplies helicopter camera platforms for filming assignments. Flight Logistics arrange cameras, continental camera mounts, crews, and a complete backup service anywhere in the UK. For excellent facilities and up-to-the-minute service, whatever your helicopter requirements, Skyline have the package for you.